Hello, children! Welcome to Kids Torah Time. And today, PARASHAT SHMINI.
Hello?
Welcome to our kosher restaurant, God's Grill. What would you like?
That's such a beautiful name. I love this name. Today I think I would like to order...
Can I offer you from our fish menu? All fish are kosher and they all have fins and scales.
Yes, thank you, but today I feel more like...
Can I offer you from our poultry menu? Birds that were eaten by Jews throughout the history. Even quail.
Wow, slab. They ate it in the desert. That's so special.
For 40 years.
Yes, now I really feel more like a basin.
Oh, basin! In our kosher restaurant, all our animals, they chew their cud, and that's why their meat is so tender.
Chewing the cud makes the animal meat more tender. The deeper meaning that like the kosher animals that chew again what they ate before, so do the Jewish people. Never forget the past, teach it to our children, and learn it again and again.
And they have split hoof.
Do you know why the split hoof?
Madame, it is proven that the kick of the split hoof is much more gentle than the other animals.
Okay. You mean like this?
Oh, this is the kosher kick. Easy.
And how about this?
The split hoof gives the animal a gentler kick, but it has an idea behind it. Every time we get to a crossroad and we have to choose doing good or bad, we should always choose the good.
Bubale,
Yes, Daddy.
time to clean up.
Split hoof, choose good. Yes, Daddy, I'm gonna clean up. Do you think that these animals are healthier to eat? And if they are, why not all the people in the world should eat it? Why only the Jewish people?
Hashem gave the Jewish people a mission, a job, to make the world a better place by spreading the wisdom and the kindness of the Torah. The second mission, job, Hashem gave the Jewish people is to prove there is a God in the world. The nation of Israel is small and kind, like a sheep. And there's many nations, like wolves, that wanted to eat this sheep. Remember Paro? Without Hashem's help, we would not be here today.
We have here many pieces of Lego, and we can build a lot of things from them.
Because we are made not of Lego, we are made of what we eat. Hashem commanded us to only eat gentle animals. Our soul has to be gentle because we have to spread God's words. I wanted a basin, remember?
Oh, basin!
I'm going to check in the kitchen.
Madam, we are very sorry. We sold just 5 minutes ago. We sold the last basin.
No worries. How about I try the antelope today?
Oh, the antelope.
Yes.
Okay, madam.
Just give me a second. I'm going to check in the kitchen.
I'm very sorry. Our chef messed up. antelope.
Okay, can you ask you, Chef, if you have deer, addax, gazelle, or
Wait.
ibex?
Deer.
Ask them if he has any of these exotic meats.
Who should I ask?
The chef.
The chef. Señorita, I just came from the kitchen and I was told that all the animals
Of that?
all the animals
Run away. It's okay. Maybe you have plain beef flanken.
I have to go to the kitchen. I'm coming right back.
S'il vous plaît, this is the flanken for you.
This is the flanken? It's not cooked.
You wanted cook flanken?
Shabbat Shalom. Love you. Mwah. This is a little note for the parents, grandparents, teachers that are watching this video. Hashem told us that the only way we can kill the animal is by slaughtering. Science always supports the Torah eventually. Well, today we found out that only the kosher animals, the two veins that go up on each side become one. And that's why it's the quickest way. Actually, it's no pain-filling way of death at all, because the supply of the oxygen in the blood stops in one split of a second. So it's cruelty-free way to kill the animals, the kosher way, the slaughtering, shchita. I would like to add that there is only 10 kosher animals. One of them is the giraffe. We don't eat it because the neck is too long, so we don't know where to slaughter it. It is written in the Torah that never and nowhere we will find another kosher animal. This is another proof that Hashem is the creator of the world and all the creatures that's in it.